Meet Rockfon Tropic, a stone wool tile for suspended ceilings. Not specialist acoustic ceilings, but any ceiling. Whether it's filling a few gaps in a local shop or creating an architectural masterpiece, there are 4 reasons why you'll love it. First up, it's easy to cut, which makes it quick to install. Secondly, as stone wool doesn't burn, it is A1 non-combustible. Talking of A's, did we mention Class A sound absorption? In fact, a perfect Alpha W score of 1. That's the highest score in the classification. And then there's the finish. A smooth, contemporary surface. No visible perforations or fissures. Match with our Rockfon Chicago metallic grid and you have a beautiful ceiling system. And ta-da! It's in our value range. All of this performance and finish built in for no extra cost. Rockfon Tropic, available off the shelf right now through distribution. The future of acoustic and suspended ceilings is now set in stone. Visit rockfon.co.uk/set in stone.